For students wishing to complete their field placement in Loudoun County Public Schools, NOVA will submit your name to the LCPS HR department for placement, orientation, and fingerprinting. If employed with Loudoun County, students cannot be placed at their current school of employment. When you request placement, please indicate if you have had any prior placements at LCPS in a previous semester or year. If you are currently employed with LCPS, please let us know of that as well, as you already have a badge and have gone through the hiring process with Loudoun County Public Schools. The first step in getting placed in Loudoun County Public Schools is to go to this web address right here. Make sure you carefully read through all of the information on this page, as step 1 has been completed for you. So when you click on that web page right there, it is going to take you to this website right here called Teachers in Training. All right. And then you're going to follow the steps right here. Step 1, college, university, they're going to submit your placement request, which you submitted via the Google survey that was emailed to you or given to you in class. The student is then going to submit their teachers in training application. You're going to complete the teacher in training checklist, and then LCPS will send your field placement confirmation details to NOVA for us to distribute to you. Step 2, the student is going to apply, like I said, to the teachers in training vacancy. If you're a current LCPS employee, you don't need to apply as you're already employed with the county. And what that looks like when you click on this link right here in step 2, when you go to this web page here, all right, there will be a teachers in training job for you to apply to. If you don't see that there, then you can go to the job listings. As you scroll down, you will see something listed here, student teachers, teachers in training. All right. So if that original link does not work, you can go back, click on student teachers and TNT, which stands for teachers in training. Okay. And you're going to apply to the teachers in training vacancy with Loudoun County Public Schools. Step 3, you're going to complete your teacher in training checklist provided via the email. So from that original link right here, there was a checklist provided to you. So make sure you complete everything on that checklist. Step 4, you'll receive an email with your field placement, school, and teacher. This email will come from Northern Virginia Community College. Note, you will not be placed until you have secured your ID and set up your orientation. So please make sure you've done all the necessary tasks there and completed all the things on your checklist so that you can be placed in a timely manner.